Hi friends! Today we're going to learn 3 new words in English. Are you ready? Great! Let's start. House, rain, street, house, rain, street. Let's match the photos with their names. The first one is house. The second one is rain. And the last one is street. House, rain, street. That was awesome! And now let's spell and pronounce the words together. What is this? This is house. H O U S E. House. What is this? This is rain. R A I N. Rain. What is this? This is street. S T R E E T. Street. Superb! Do you want to know what does Mr. Baker got to say today? Let's listen and try to understand.
I live in a big house. Our house has a lot of bedrooms. There are 3 balconies in our house.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? House. Now listen again and try to understand what does Mr. Baker talk about.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Kids want to play. Go, go, go away.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? Rain. Now listen again and try to understand what does Mr. Baker talk about.
We live on a busy street. There are many shops on the street. There's even a fun fair on the street.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? Street. And finally, we will use these words in sentences. She lives in a small house. It rains a lot in spring. The street is full of cars. Awesome! Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day!